Yo ho ho, what's good YouTubers? Today we are gonna go and get some tools for me to do my first ever oil change, and I'm gonna be doing it on the Boxster today. So right now I'm waiting to get to Harbor Freight and then get the O'Reilly parts store right there as well, so I can pick up a few tools. I'm gonna need a floor jack. I already got the jack stands, and I might need a breaker bar and a couple more little things that I'm gonna pick up here. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Yo, we're back at the spot now. So I got all the tools right here that I will need to oil change my Porsche Boxster right over here. So basically I went and got this earlier. Definitely need some jack stands and a funnel set with some gloves for sure. You need some gloves. Picked up this too, with the little key for the oil bolt and oil filter removal tool. Got the filter right here with the O-ring, OW40 Mobil 1, and we got us a little oil drain pan right here. It should be able to take about 10 quarts in here. So yeah, we're gonna get started, guys. I'm gonna open this up. Let's see what it looks like. So comes with a metal pole and another one. Nice little rubber protector right there. And here is the actual jack. Little manual right here. And then there she is, guys. Let's take her out and assemble it, and we'll practice using it on this car because it's my first time doing it, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so after opening the box, turns out I needed to get some jack oil so that I can top this off to lift this car right here. So first thing you gotta do to set it up is take out this bolt right here. This little bolt right here, so that you can insert this bar here. Lock it back into place to hold that bar in there. Yeah, close this up. Hand tight. Should lock this in here. And then next thing you gotta do is take off this plate right here to access the jack oil reservoir, so that we can get this working. And this is a little extender tool that just snaps right on to there. Okay, so we're gonna unscrew this, fill it up with this, and we'll get started with the oil change, guys. Alright guys, so once you have the little red plate cover off, you're gonna have to slowly take off this screw right here to access the reservoir for the fluid. And when you open it, you're gonna have to pump it a few times and apply pressure to the saddle and pump it so that we can make sure that there's nothing in there. So here we go, guys. We're gonna open it up. Alright, let's see. So seems like there's nothing in there. So what we're gonna do next is just apply the pressure and pump it real quick. Alright, after you pump it a few times, we're gonna top it off with this here. Alright guys, looks like we're all good. Just like that. This right here, this spot should be a nice spot to lift a Porsche Boxster in, because it's where the suspension is bolted on, basically. So it's like a straight up frame right there. Each car is going to be different, but for this car we're going to lift it from there. Yep, she's going up. Oh shit. Well, there you go. Seems like it's on though. That was a little bit aggressive, but we got the job done. You got it up now. What you want to do is kind of just shake it around to see if it's on there properly. So I'm pushing it just to see if it's really secure. So take off the top right here. There you go. So you want to get it directly under the oil plug, which is that one right there. I don't know if you can see. It's that one. There it is, and the filter's right next to it as well. Line that up properly so it doesn't spill everywhere. Okay, that should be good. And then use the breaker bar to just crack it open. Oh shit, I can see it. Nice. Let it drain out, guys, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. We'll take off the filter soon. Oh, there it is. Dirty old filter. Now that you have taken out the oil filter cap, and there's gonna be some oil down there too, you're gonna take off the O-ring right here, and you will be given an O-ring with your filter. So here it is. You lube it up with this. A little bit of oil on our fingers. There it is. And we're gonna just put it on this. And we're gonna put it back on. All right, I got the new O-ring in. And before you put this back on, you're gonna have to fill it up halfway with oil, just a little bit. Not too much. Just about there. Oil filter back like so. And oil filter and the cap back on. Oh my god, that sounded bad. Okay guys, so I used the second bottle of oil to about here. So that should be about 8 quarts. Maybe I need like a little bit more to here, but we'll check the dipstick right now to see if we need to fill it up some more. Let's fill it up a little bit more. Okay. I think that should be cool. Let's check the car. Let's check the sensor on the inside. So it has an oil meter. So let's check that one out. All right, let's see, guys. All right, perfect.